In this video, yes, Centre Punch and Parkside Performance. More on the Parkside. It's got a cordless multi-tool, 25% off. It doesn't feel. Carry on collecting them straight through. Personal stuff. Nice. Jigsaw, a pressure washer. Oh yeah. Click on it, pick out your favourite tool. Have you ever bought a tool just based on the colour alone? Well, I did, and I bought a few. The Saber 18-volt cordless range, from the range. Look at the colour of them. But how good are they? Are they a rival to Parkside, for example? Because at the minute, there's an offer on as well, the 25% off. Plus some other brands from the range. We'll have a look around store, and we'll have a look in their brochure. Here's the brochure with all the deals in there. We'll have a closer look later in the video, and there's quite a good selection of this Saber tools. And you can buy in store and online, and you ain't got to wait for a tool drop with Saber gear. But proof in the pudding, let's see how they stack up against Parkside. We'll test them both. Let's unbox them and give them a bash. We'll do the giveaway results and a new giveaway. I think that colour even rivals Ryobi. And why a bright colour? Because when it's on your workbench or wherever, you know where it is, you can see it. It stands out. Plus it looks cool. But also a few of you have mentioned in the comments to give the Saber tools a try. Thanks for your comments, keep them coming. So fellow sheddies and tool lovers, stop the waffle, get on with it. Hello sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. So a load of Saber hand tools here, always in orange, and the mains power tools are orange as well. I've had some stuff before actually from Saber. The pressure washer here, the 1400 watt one for 80 quid. And there's a 1600 watt one, I didn't see the price of that. And there's also a 2000 watt one for £100. And then this range, Rhino. Don't know if you've seen these before. Trimmers, lawnmowers and the like. And some of these looks like they've got the 25% discount as well. Combination pack here for the lawnmower and the strimmer. Couple of names we don't see very often anymore. Wilco and Homebase, all the gardening gear they've got in there. The Homebase flexible, inflatable hose, is it? For £35, and the standard hose on a reel there. The Iron Health vac for £40. And here's the Saber orange mains power tools and the cordless ones in blue. But look at that, the plunge saw by Einhell for 50 quid, or mini circular saw. I bought that one from Aldi. That was only 35 from there. Showed it in a few videos back. Made by Ferex. So here's the Saber orange orbital sander, 135 watts. And here's the wonderful blue, or is it turquoise? The Saber cordless range. There's the batteries and the charger with the discount, 25% off. Multi-tool by Saber, but that's the mains one because it's orange. Jigsaw by Saber, cordless. And the same as Parkside, they come as bare units, but they are 18 volt compared to 20 volt. That's that mini vac. I showed that in a video a while back for £15. I think it's a blower as well. And here's the cordless work light, very similar to the Parkside one. We'll have to check the two out, see what differences there are. About the same price though. The Saber cordless multi-tool for 25 quid with the discount. The Parkside one was £20 as it is. And the 1200 watt Saber pressure washer for £40. That looks like it's on offer. And a load of other toolboxes and other stuff. There's loads of gear in the range. I did a video on it quite a while back. Einhell jigsaw there, and then the Saber circular saw. And this power base. Don't know if you've seen this range. Trimmers, lawnmowers, hedge trimmers. They also do a pruner like I showed in a video, or probably 3 back, the 20 volt one. Well, they do a 4 volt one here. There it is for £20. Don't know how good it is. As always, if you've got any of these tools, put them in the comments below. Your thoughts, experiences helped me and others. And I've got similar to these from Parkside. It's the small hedge trimmers and the grass trimmer. And they also do the small pruner chainsaw, similar to the Parkside one. Anyway, let's try these Saber cordless tools out. Let's give them a bash. Back to the shed. Right then, first of all, the Saber 18-volt cordless combi drill. Bare unit, called One Power, 18-volt, 1 battery for all, for the whole range. Now, these are usually $29.99, but they've got this 25% offer on at the minute for bank holiday. It goes up until the 22nd of April, I think it is. We'll have a look in the brochure in a bit. And got £7.50 off. £22.50, I think it works out cheaper than the Parkside one. The hammer action one. This one here. We'll come on to that. Battery and charger sold separately. Bought them as well. Suitable for drilling wood, metal, brick, masonry. 3-function combi drill with hammer action. Lithium ion battery. Soft grip. Is that rubber? 2-gear speed, LED light, variable speed. Let's have a look on the side. It looks like it's got the hook there for your belt. And has it got a bottle opener on there as well? I normally take them off. And here's some specs. Screwdriver function, reversible 13mm keyless chuck, fan cool motor with brake. Wondered, is this a brushless one? But there's no mention of it. But on the Ferrex one from Aldi, they never mentioned about it on that one. And it's brushless. This one isn't brushless. Sparky. Torque setting up to 19, drill and hammer. Maximum torque, 40 Newton meters. No load speed, up to 1600 RPM. An impact rate, up to 15,600 beats per minute. Or bashes per minute. Right, let's have a look. Oh, look at the colour of that. Oh, yes. It actually looks better in the flesh. Nice. Obviously no carry case. Bag of gubbins. And the instructions. Doesn't look brushless, does it? So in here, yeah, got the little hook that goes on the side there. I'm not going to bother with that. This is the one you get on the Parkside ones. Pretty much exactly the same look. And you get the screws with it as well, of course. Rubber on the handle, look, for nice grippages. And because it's got rubber at the back here, droppages. Rubber on the side, that's what we like to see. Let's have a look at the difference. There's more on the Parkside. It's got it all over the top here, covered in it. And on the back, plastic chuck compared to metal. Now, I don't know if it's comparing apples with oranges a bit, because these are 20 volt. This one comes with a handle on the side, and I think this was it $24.99 bare unit when I got it? But it came in a carry case, and of course, this is on offer, normally $29.99. I don't think I'm going to be coming away from Parkside anytime soon, but I do love the colour. Forward, button on that side, reverse, all the torque settings. Right up to 19 there. And then drill and hammer action. 2 speeds. Torch is down here. I wonder if it's got a battery level indicator on the battery. Let's find out. There's the battery, and it's the 2 amp hour one, again 18 volt. And these are normally $19.99. The 5 are off, the 25%, $14.99, which brings it down to the same as the 2 amp hour 20 volt, of course, Parkside battery. 1 power. Let's have a look. Ooh, only 1 bit of blue on there. Oh, 2 bits. No rubber on it though, like the Parkside ones have got on the base. Has it got an indicator? Oh yeah, it's on there, look. Halfway. I've just noticed that. It can charge it from there as well. So I could have just got a cheap lead, I think, to charge this. Because I bought the charger. Now, it's not a bad price, actually. These are normally $14.99. But £3.75 off. So what's that about? £11.25. Let's have a look. Here it is. Right, so I think what we need to do is stick him in there. See how nicely it clicks in. Good enough to remove. Nice. Slides in, no resistance. And activate. Yes. Yeah, sparky. Brushed. But that one sparks as well. Yeah, you can see that stop brake it's got on there. You can hear the brake as well. And forward. On hammer at the minute. Let's put it on drill. Let me show you the difference. Parkside one and not on hammer. On drill. Let's put him on 1. Probably is a bit louder on this one. I also got this, the cordless work light, but we'll check that out when we try this out. Let's use the Parkside Performance drill bits. Of course, Parkside Performance are black, but they can get away with it because it looks stealth, especially because it's got the red accents. That's the 12 volt one. So, wood drill bits. Let's go with the biggest on this one anyway. 8. Oh, yes, a nice positive grip. Let's go to 2. Block of wood. Let's go endways. Nice. Yes. Eats into there. Straight in. Right, let's ramp it up. Spade bit, 32mm. that bit is actually blunt. Get something that isn't blunt. 13mm one. Nice. Bits of metal. An old desk I've took apart. I've been clearing out a load of stuff in my shed, and I'll show you soon, but there's a lot of sensitive stuff in here, personal stuff I'm trying to avoid on camera. But when I've cleared it all out, I'll be YouTube friendly, and we'll start from there. So metal bits, again, Parkside Performance. Start with a 4mm. Centre punch. Nice. Let's try a bigger bit. 10mm one. Dab of cutting oil. Go. Should be clamping this down, really. It's just a demo. Lovely. Hole in metal. Block. Parkside Performance masonry bits. Straight in with a 12mm. Let's set it to hammer action. Here we are. And go. Oh yeah. In there. Easy peasy. Straight through. That's it. Lovely. Hole straight through. Scrap bit of wood. Do alt posy bit in there. And we'll set it. Let's go midway. Set it at 11. Screw. And go. Oh yeah, just below the surface there. Ignore all the staples. I was trying this wood out with my stapler. So we'll set it to, let's say 19. Just there. A bigger screw, about 80-ish mil. Oh yeah. Right in there. Can't go any further. In fact, it's fixed it to the bench. Do like that torch as well. It illuminates it well. There we go. We got caught on some wood inside. If you're interested, I did a full review on this. It's a video on my channel somewhere. Next, the work light. And I've got one similar to that, which is that one from Parkside. This was about the same price, because these usually $12.99, but $3.25 off, so just under a tenner. Delivers long run time on a single charge. High illumination 3-watt COB LED. Light provides 330 lumens. 6 positions, pivoting head with positive stops, 90 degrees up to 180 degrees. Blah, blah, blah. Color temperature 5,500 to 6,500 K. Again, the battery isn't included. There's all the range, by the way. I think that's everything. Jigsaw, multi-tool, orbital sander, like a mouse sander, impact driver, paint gun. There's the combi drill. I think that covers it. So not a massive range. There it is. Look at the size of that. Doesn't feel, it doesn't feel as nice as that. I don't know. It's probably the plastic that feels a little bit plasticky. I think it's because this has got so much rubber on there. Rubber on the front, rubber around here at the top. It's got a rafter hook on this one as well. This one looks like it hasn't. Fairly nice click on it. Again, fantastic colour. This one moves similar, like that. Do like this. And a rafter hook on the top. Hang it somewhere. Button at the front, which is rubber as well. That's just plastic. This is rubber, of course, here and there. That's the extent of it. But proof in the pudding, let's plug the battery in. Off there. What's the charge looking like? Still at half. Need to charge this. And in, strap on the back there. Hang around your wrist or wherever. This one hasn't got that. And activate. Oh, yeah. Good. Yeah, it's bright in the face. Right in the kisser. Yeah, so if you sit it somewhere, you can face it upwards or at 90 degree or anywhere in between. I do like this one because it goes all the way and goes a little bit further backwards. This one doesn't, just goes straight up. And when it comes down, it goes a little bit further down, look. So if you're pointing it down to something, this one doesn't. But the beam is quite wide. Put a battery in this one. There we go. Yeah, the Parkside one seems a bit brighter, but this one has got a broader beam. It'll do the job though, quite easily. And I suppose that colour, you're going to see it in darkness and spot it. Oh, it has got rubber. That is rubber button. Anyway, enough about the rubber. That's the Saber worklight torch. So, do you think I should carry on collecting them just for the fact that they're a rare colour, or just stick to Parkside? I think I know what the answer is. But if you miss a tool drop and you don't mind about the batteries being different, then these might be an option. There's no Parkside tools in stock, and you can buy them online. If we said to a kid, pick out your favourite tool, which one are they going to pick? And let's face it, we're all big kids anyway. Oh, and by the way, this only represents a small percentage of all my Parkside and Aldi tools. Video coming soon. Next. So here's the brochure, DIY month. Hurry, offer ends 22nd of April. All sorts of stuff in here. Wilko paint, cheap paint brushes. Wilko again, garden colours. Timber care as well from Wilko's. House furnishings, etc. And the tools. And I say I've had these orange tools before, hand tools. I had one, which is a ratcheting screwdriver, and it lasted for years. I can't find it. I've just been trying to hunt it down. Buried away somewhere in this workshop. Boxed away, ready for me refurb. 20% off all these. And Black & Decker, usual stuff. And then 25% off the Saber cordless range. Combi drill, which I've got. Jigsaw, which is £24.74 with the discount. Multi-tool, £24.74 with the discount. Palm sander, near enough 19 quid. And the impact driver, 25 quid. Paint sprayer, just over 26. And we've seen the battery and charger. Hilker tools, some of these on offer as well. 10% off Hilker hand tools. Saber pressure washers. Car tools. And that's about it. So I thought I'd show you them. Next. So for the giveaway, I've got another one of these grout smoothing sets. All for silicon. And of course the sticker, tool lover. If you want to be entered, just put I'm in below in the comments, anything you like after it, or just I'm on its own, and I'll pick a winner at random in another video. I never announce it in the comments, or I don't get in touch with you in any way. I only announce it in another video. Let's have a look at the results from the last giveaway. So as usual, I use a random comment picker on the Tinternet, and this time the winner is... Hello, my name is Dom. Send me an email, it's in the description below. Well done. As always, put your comments below, thoughts, opinions, tools you've bought, tool experiences. It helps me and others. If you're new here, subscribe. I've got hundreds of more videos on my channel. I'll put a link on the screen now to a video that might be of interest to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, take care, and remember, keep calm and head to the shed. Cheers!
See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.